candy mixed in, just like this one. But a blizzard is also a giant snowstorm.
Oh my goodness! Brownie points.
It's melted.
Okay.
Welcome, I'm Cullen with Channel 624 News, presenting Storm of the Century 1993.
Oh, I'm up there.
This is a picture. This picture was sent in from a viewer in Syracuse, New York. They haven't been hit by the storm yet, but it is headed in their direction. Dangerous winter conditions are currently forming because of a polar, Pacific, and subtropical jet streams all merging into one with a storm in the Gulf of Mexico and creating a low-pressure system moving in the eastern part of the USA. If you are currently under a winter storm watch, you should stay indoors to avoid hypothermia and create a winter survival kit including food, water, warm clothing, and a flashlight. There's a blizzard warning. Please take shelter. This storm began in the Gulf of Mexico. The winds blew the storm north into the eastern part of the USA. This is an infrared image. Infrared uses the storm's temperature to predict the storm's path, direction, and strength. When a whiteout occurs, you can't see very far in front of you. You should stay indoors so you don't get injured. Most blizzards are the size of yellow dotted arrows. This blizzard was more than double the size of a regular blizzard. It impacted 18 over 50 states.
Stop. Come on, you dropped one.
Remember earlier when we showed you a picture from Syracuse, New York? This man is shoveling out snow up to his waist. That's probably about 4 feet of snow after the blizzard blew through. If that was me, it would be up to my neck. They're beginning to clean up after the storm and need big, heavy-duty machines to help them clean up. One man can't do it all alone. In this picture, people are cleaning snow off the roof with a crane. In this picture, many people are working together to take their own cars out of all the snow that is covering them. After the storm finished its path, there are about 310 deaths. The cost to complete the repairs was $6.6 to $11 billion. This storm wasn't just big, it was powerful. That's it from Cullen reporting Channel 624 News. Back to you, Ms. Sager.